Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Using a 21mm socket, remove the wheel. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. If you wish to remove and retain the factory bump stop, do it now. Then, remove the lower bit of metal on your frame, leaving the main frame rail untouched. If you are working on the left side of your vehicle, you will need to remove the bolt retaining the sway bar using an 18mm socket. Step 4. Slide the over-axle frame section onto the frame using C-clamps if needed. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 5. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Finally, reinstall your bump stop. To hold your bump stop in place, you'll need to punch down the tabs located inside the frame section. Set your punch above the spring and using a hammer, punch down the tabs. On the left side of your vehicle, reinstall your sway bar with an 18mm socket. Using a 21mm socket, reinstall your wheel. Then you're done!